Whole Foods is accepting cryptocurrency as payment, and Bitcoin goes from 7 to 8,000 in 2 days. Let's start the show. Welcome back to Crypto Global News. Thanks for tuning into today's show. I'm Edward, and we really appreciate it if you like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy today's episode. The Intercontinental Exchange, also known as the ICE, which is the parent company of BOCT, has officially filed for Bitcoin futures approval with the U.S. Commodity and Futures Trading Commission. According to a blog post by BOCT CEO Kelly Loeffler, although the CFTC hasn't been approved, the new platform, Loeffler seems confident, will be launched, stating Bitcoin futures will be listed on a federally regulated futures exchange in the coming months. Bitcoin futures may bring a whole bunch of new people into the crypto trading space. There are more than a few reasons there's been a spike in the price of Bitcoin, but you can now add Amazon to the list. Whole Foods, which is owned by the e-commerce giant, is now accepting Bitcoin as a payment method. This huge development was made possible thanks to a deal between payment startup Flexa and Gemini. Now, Gemini, of course, is the crypto exchange launched by Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss. Users only need to download an app dubbed Spend and can make everyday purchases using cryptocurrencies. Now, how will this affect crypto adoption? How will this affect Whole Foods and Amazon moving forward? The recently reintroduced Token Taxonomy Act will create a D- tax exemption for crypto transactions under $600. Now, according to the executive director of Coin Center, Jerry Brito, at Consensus 2019, the D- tax exemption stipulates that the crypto owner experiences a capital gain up to $600 of crypto, then the owner is not required to report the gain to the Internal Revenue Service, which is usually referred to as the IRS, which is the United States Tax Authority. Now, this may lead to a whole bunch of new people making small investments in the digital asset class. While cryptocurrency remains a retail-dominated market, data from investment firm Grayscale reveals that institutional investors continue to ramp up their involvement in this asset class. And according to the firm's newly published first quarter digital asset investment report, last quarter saw a massive surge in the investments from one particular type of institutional investor: hedge funds. Now, during Q4 of 2018, hedge funds invested less than $1 million in Grayscale products, including the publicly quoted Bitcoin Investment Trust. During Q1 of 2019, hedge fund inflows jumped to $24 million for an increase of more than 2,400%. In fact, hedge fund inflows accounted for 56% of Grayscale investments for the quarter and helped power a 42% quarter-over-quarter increase in product inflows up to $42.7 million. Retail and now major institutional money are investing in crypto. Who will rule the roost in 2019? The price of Bitcoin has went from just under 7,000 to under 8,000, which is more than a 19% increase in only 48 hours. Now, many Bitcoin traders are musing that the next major support level of Bitcoin will hit 10,000. The growth in 2019 represents a near 120% increase since the beginning of the year. Will this quick and also massive change bring about a whole new batch of investors into the crypto space? Many thanks for tuning into today's episode. Please make sure you like, share, and also subscribe to today's show. For Crypto Global News, I'm Edward. Until next time, you take it easy.